Abu Dhabi, a name that conjures images of towering skyscrapers and shimmering gold. But beneath the modern facade lies a heart steeped in tradition, a place where the desert whispers ancient stories, where the call to prayer echoes through bustling souks. This is a city of contrasts. Modernity and tradition exist in perfect harmony. Luxury knows no bounds, yet the warmth of the Emirati people shines through. You can wander through air-conditioned malls, then find yourself haggling for spices in a traditional market. Abu Dhabi is a sensory feast. The scent of oud and spices fills the air. The taste of Arabic coffee and dates lingers on the tongue, and the sight of the Grand Mosque gleaming under the desert sun is truly unforgettable. Come, lose yourself in the magic of Abu Dhabi. It's an experience you won't soon forget. A masterpiece of Islamic architecture, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is a vision in white marble. It shimmers under the desert sun. Intricate carvings adorn every surface, delicate floral designs, verses from the Quran, and geometric patterns, each one a testament to the skill of the craftsman. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the world's largest hand-knotted carpet. Above you, chandeliers sparkle like diamonds scattered across the sky. The mosque can accommodate over 40,000 worshippers. Its vastness is both humbling and awe-inspiring. But the Grand Mosque is more than just a building. It's a symbol of peace and unity, a place where people of all faiths can come together in prayer and reflection. A visit here is a truly moving experience. Take your time to wander the courtyards, admire the intricate details, and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. The Louvre Abu Dhabi, a beacon of culture and creativity. Here, under a dome of woven light, masterpieces from around the world are brought together. The museum's collection spans centuries and continents. Ancient Egyptian sarcophagi sit alongside Renaissance paintings. Islamic calligraphy shares space with modern sculptures. It's a journey through human history, told through the language of art. The Louvre Abu Dhabi is more than just a museum. It's a platform for dialogue and understanding, a place where cultures can meet and learn from each other, a testament to Abu Dhabi's commitment to fostering creativity and knowledge. Don't miss the opportunity to wander through these galleries, to be inspired by the beauty and diversity of human expression. Saadiyat Island, a haven of tranquility. Pristine white beaches stretch as far as the eye can see. Turquoise waters lap gently at the shore. Here, luxury takes center stage. World-class resorts offer unparalleled comfort and indulgence. Spend your days lounging by infinity pools. Sip cocktails as the sun sets over the Arabian Gulf. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments. Play a round of golf on championship courses. Saadiyat Island is the perfect place to unwind and recharge. But it's not all about relaxation. The island is also home to the Saadiyat Cultural District, a hub for art, history, and performance. Visit the Manarat Al Saadiyat Art Center. Catch a show at the Performing Arts Center. Saadiyat Island offers the perfect blend of luxury, culture, and natural beauty. No trip to Abu Dhabi is complete without venturing into the desert. The vast expanse of sand dunes holds a certain mystique. A sense of adventure awaits. For the thrill seekers, there's dune bashing. Hold on tight as your 4x4 vehicle careens up and down the dunes at exhilarating speeds. The adrenaline rush is addictive. For a more tranquil experience, opt for a camel ride. Sway gently to the rhythm of the camel's stride as you glide across the sand. Watch the sun set over the dunes, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. As the stars begin to twinkle, enjoy a traditional Bedouin dinner under the desert sky. Listen to ancient stories and legends as you savor the flavors of Emirati cuisine. The desert is a place of contrasts, a place where you can find both adventure and peace.